With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, we have the sum of series 9 upon 1 factorial plus 19 upon 2 factorial plus 35 upon 3 factorial plus 57 upon 4 factorial up to infinity. From here, from question we have a series that 9, 19, 35, 57 up to n term. If we check difference between these two, this is 10, difference between these two is 16, difference between these two is 22. Every time in this series 6 is added. Now from here, in this series, if we have to find this third term, we have to add these two terms and of lower series, and there we have to add this 9. Similarly, if we have to find the fourth term, we have to add these three terms, and in that we have to add 9 terms. Similarly, if we have to find nth term, we have to add n minus 1 terms of these, and in that we have to add 9 terms. So our Tn can be written as we have to add 9, so 9. Now the sum of this n minus 1 series is n minus 1 upon, this is in AP. So sum of AP is n minus 1 upon 2, 2a. Now here a is equal to 10. So 2 into 10, that is 20, plus we have n minus 1 into d, and we have to find the sum of n minus 1 series. So this n minus 1 into n minus 1 is equal to n minus 2 d. D here is 6. So this is our Tn. Now if we divide this series with 2, we get Tn is equal to 9 plus n minus 1 into 10. This is n minus 2 into 3. If we solve this, we get 9 plus n minus 1, 10 plus 3n minus 6. This is equal to 9 plus n minus 1, 3n plus 4. Now if we multiply these two, we get 9 plus 3n square plus 4n minus 3n minus 4. So this is equal to, Tn is equal to 3n square plus 4n minus 3n is equal to n. So plus n plus 5. We have get Tn. Now here from here question we can see that we have 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. So this is, if we have to find the sum of n series, so upon n factorial. Now if we separate terms and find the sum of this Tn series, we get summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 3n square upon n factorial plus n upon n factorial plus 5 upon n factorial. Now from here if we add and subtract, and we get summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 3n square minus n square plus n upon n factorial plus n upon n factorial plus 5 upon n factorial. From here if we separate terms and take n common, we are adding n and subtracting n. So this is minus n plus n. Now here if we take n common, we get 3 sigma n minus n into n minus 1 upon n factorial plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity, here n is equal to 1 to infinity n upon n factorial plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity n upon n factorial, here 3, plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 5 upon n factorial. Now from here this is equal to 3 into 3 sigma n is equal to, if we take n minus 1 cancel out, we will remain with 1 upon n minus 2 upon factorial. So limits will change from here, n is equal to 2 to infinity, because if we put n is equal to 1, so this is minus 1, that is not defined, plus this will cancel, this will add, we get 4 sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity, this is 1 upon n minus 1 factorial, plus 5 sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n factorial. Now from here we can see that this is series of E, this is also series of E, and this is series of E minus 1. So if we put the values, we get sigma Tn is equal to 3E plus 4E plus 5 into E minus 1. If we solve this, we get 12 E minus 5. So guys, this is the answer for this question. Now if we check our options, from here we can see that our option number 2 is correct. So guys, this is the answer. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.